So for exercise 1, you are going to complete the floor plan, add the dimensions, the annotations, and you're going to create your title block, which is already provided through the template. You are going to need to show the dimensions here for the window, and it shouldn't show here in the ground floor plan. You're also going to show dimensions here in the exterior door detail without it showing here in the ground floor plan. And for a different scale, at scale 1/2:1, you're going to show the women's washroom. Now, the only thing that is not correct here is this women's washroom size of the text. Okay, so text should always be annotated, meaning to say it should always show at the proper size. So kindly solve that. Don't show the women's washroom here, showing it as bigger. Similarly, you shouldn't show this here as bigger than the annotation here in the ground floor plan. Now, to do that, number one, for the text, I've already talked about that. You have to use annotative. Now, for this one here, you need to make this into a block and make it annotative as well. So the command is block, and make sure you uh, check this annotative box here when you create the block. And you can insert it and it will resize itself as you insert it in a different scale, like in this case, 1/2:1. Okay, so try to experiment with that. If you're not able to do that, then you can ask that in class. Okay, now this one here, again, is the setting. I've shown that earlier, and it's already in your template. Okay, so you can take a photo of this. That will be the setup for your layout. And I provided the colors as well. So make sure you follow the color standard so that you're working on the same standard that we have for Sheridan. Now, again, when you go to a different office, you have to follow the same standard. So that's what I'm training you for. Okay, so that's exercise number 1. That will be the as-built plan, completed as-built plan. Now, here, notice that this is created by Yunsha Yao, a student of mine, and you have to update. In your case, it will say update this or updated. So this will be exercise 1. Okay. This is exercise 1. This will be the first of 14 pages that we're going to be doing, or sheets. Okay, so update that. Now, to update this, when you start the drawing, it will actually give you the start date. So that will be already automatic. And then when you would you like to change when you like to change the project and the drawn by, you need to go here. Uh, just a second. Okay, here, click, wait for it, and then under drawing utilities, drawing properties, you will need to change the summary. This is where you can place, in this case, will be exercise 1. Okay. and then you place your name here. So I think it should show updated. So thanks to Yun Sha for this drawing. Okay. Now you have to change that here. The rest are already embedded. The date it was created. So it will be the date you start the drawing. Okay. Okay, so once you do that, then the only thing that I have not shown is how to uh, use or insert the plot style that you can download from the website. So to do that, you click on draw print, okay, and then you go down, don't click on anything until you find manage plot style. Now, before going here, you need to copy or download the Arch CTB file and then paste it in this folder. Now, you can also do the same for the Arch Thin, Arch Thick, Arch Very Thick. This is where you paste a plot style. So if you're going to a office, they will provide the plot style, or most probably the plot style is already installed in their AutoCAD software. But in your scenario, you're using your laptop, then this is where you paste it. If you're using the computer lab, CAD lab computers, then it should have the Arch CTB. If not, you do the same and paste it in the proper folder.